Hi guys, karibuni tena sana to Xgamer Technologies YouTube channel. Today, as promised, we're doing the part 2 of the assembly using the Cooler Master C700 case. We'll be doing a basic computer here that is you'll find pretty much in common most companies that are serious with what they're doing. So here are the components that we're going to use. We've actually tested them a few minutes ago. We're going to start with the graphics card. These will have an RTX 3060 12GB. Huu ni mnyama. Kikuja ni animations, if you're doing gaming, you are an architect, hapo uko totally sorted. Hii Lumion, the latest version, hii haitambui. This is an Asus RTX 3060. Asus is known for their good products. That's why we also considered using the motherboard Asus. This is a B660 motherboard. We installed the 64GB RGB RAM. We also have 20 CPU Core i7, the 12th gen, the latest. And then here under the PCIe 4 lane, we've already installed a Samsung Pro PCIe 4. And then this computer will basically be used as a main computer for storage on main company projects. That's why we're going to install these 16 terabyte of storage. And then there's a DVD ile ya kawaida just in case you need to use some DVDs. And then Davinci, another big company in this field of computers, we're using the power supply 850 watts, the RGB version. Then madoido kidogo tutaongeza hizi fans. No, your cooling plus pia looks, the aesthetics. Remember the Cooler Master only comes to the RGB strip outside, but inside the fans are not RGB. So if you want the RGB fans, you just add them. And all these, we usually stock them locally at our shop. So basically, let's do the assembly. of close to 40 minutes, we have the final product here. Very nice stuff. The RGBs, this very cool, awesome. Can actually open inside. The graphics card is actually mounted on the riser card. Actually, the fan, they spin independently depending on the load. So at times you can stop, at times it's running. Basically that's it. Choose a Core i7 with 64GB RAM. Yeah, we close our Lamborghini, or is it Tesla? Okay, so that's it. You're welcome to visit our shop any day. Very nice illumination all the way up to the bottom, up the floor. Awesome. You can visit our shop any day with your quotation. You generate the quotation from the link that we put in the description. It's www.xcamertechnologies/calculator. You generate a quotation, send us the quotation on WhatsApp. We'll advise whether it's compatible. Then from there you can make arrangements to visit our shop. We're in Veteran House, Moi Avenue, shop 501, 5th floor. Thank you guys. See you.